Presentation of the vocabulary basket and nomenclature card. Now I have to explain the news period to you people. Now news period, definitely as it shows by its name that news period means sharing some news with each other. The name of this period is given a news period because the directress and the child share the news with each other. In news period, the morning time is best because the child is very much enthusiastic to tell any story which he experienced last day or just a minute or in the morning. And the mind is very fresh. The aim of the news period is to develop the language in the child, to give a proper language to the child. When the child is telling anything to you, you should not interrupt, you should not correct the child. The language which you are giving is very simple, precise, easy. You should not too fast that it goes beyond the child level, or you should not too slow that the child gets bored. There must be a time out, and your voice should be according to the action. As I told you yesterday that your vocal expression counts a lot in development of the child concentration interest. अगर आप सीधी बात बताएं और इस तरह कहें, एक रास्ते में जा रही थी, एक कुत्ता मैंने देखा और वो खड़ा था. Is there any interest? No. लेकिन when you give expression to this sentence with your vocal, with your face, so definitely the interest is there for the child to listen something. There's something. Curiosity is there. Because God has given us a 14 tendency in which one is curiosity. 14 tendency is there in our personality. That the curiosity is one tendency. So always give the language to the child in a very simple way. As my topic is news period, so I told you that the morning time is best to discuss anything with the child. Now welcome to the child, and after settle in the morning, then tell the child, take a group, it's a group activity, and wherever you ask the child to sit, according to that level, you have to sit. If you ask the child to sit on the floor, suppose sit on the floor, you have to sit on the floor. This is very important thing, that whenever you talk to anyone, you should come on the level of that person, from the child, from the home environment. So it's good for you to speak in English, you yourself. Even if the child give the answer in Urdu, you should not respond कि नहीं English में बोलो और इस तरह करो. आपने English में बोलना है, and let them speak whatever he speaks. ठीक है? And later on he will understand everything what you want to give to him, and that your effort will definitely see after 2 to 3 years. This is all about the news period. Any question from news period from your side? Now question game. This is the continuity of the news period, but in the question game, as I said you, news period time, the best time to play the news period is the morning time. Why? What reason I gave you? To tell the story, what experience, whatever he had before that.
Again, there is a basket containing those objects that the child already knows and the things that are already present in the environment. What is the aim of the I Spy game? Basically, it makes the child aware that the words is made up of different sounds, preparation for writing and reading, and the age is around 3 years. Okay, who wants to be the child? You are looking pretty today. Thank you. Are you doing something special? What? Would you like to work with Auntie? Yes, Auntie. Hey, come along with me. Hello Sadia, how are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
I'm also fine. Sadia, you are looking beautiful today.
Thank you, Auntie.
Would you like to work with Auntie? Today Auntie will work with I Spy game.
Yes, Auntie.
Okay, come along with me.
How are you?
I'm also fine. Are you doing something special?
Oh, Auntie.
Would you like to work with Auntie?
Yes.
Come along with me. Okay, now watch me carefully what Auntie is doing. I spy with my little eyes something that begins with B. No, it's not a book. Manisha, can you tell me?
It's a basket.
Yes, it's a basket. I spy with my little eyes something that begins with mug. Yes, it's mug. And mug begins with I spy with my little eyes something that begins with P. It's a pen. Yes, it's a bag. And bag begins with P.
Oh, Auntie.
Okay, let's put the material back to its place. Do something very new. Just look. K. This is K. K. Just watch again very carefully what Auntie is going to show you anew. F. And this is A. Very good. Now watch more carefully.
Auntie, क्या है?
D. D. Very good. This is K. This is A. And this is D. D. Very good. Very nice. Now one else more. Can you tell me what is this? K. Very good girl. Can you tell me what is this?
ये क्या खाएगा?
Very nice. You've done very well. You are really a very good girl. Thank you. Now, just pick up all the letters, sandpaper letters, and keep it on the tray.
Okay, Auntie. We are going to put a pause for the language presentation right now, so that there are some many important matters for us to discuss with you. Language and language activity. What is the language activity? I think every workshop there is one activity that sometime at one point you feel like doing, and let's all do it right now. Can you take a deep breath? And can you stretch your hands? And straighten your back, and it means really straight. You should be able to feel this backbone pulling. seen how lovely this looks? Does it? Yeah. Hold your arm. Okay, whenever the children are going to sleep and look dull and droopy, and this is a lovely exercise, the children love it and they wake up. And another way to wake up is to take a deep breath. And while you're taking your deep breath, your eyes should be wide open. Is it? Yes. Is it? Yes. Look at my eyes. Can you open your eyes as wide as mine? It is an exercise. Okay. So this happens, but we want you to be more active. And I tell you, maybe at this stage in your life, you are not able to realize the importance of stories, rhymes, and poems. It is personal, but when I went for my first job as a teacher, a nursery school teacher, the very first thing in my interview, they asked me to sing a rhyme. And it took me totally by surprise. It was many years ago. And I couldn't sing. I couldn't even sing ABCD. I mean, I was not a teacher. I never had the experience, the confidence. And I never even went to Montessori school. So I didn't have that plus point in me. And do you think I got my job? No. I didn't. So that, imagine their way of testing a proper teacher to work with small children. For them, the most important quality was the ability to be singing songs, rhymes and poems in the style for children. What happens usually, we are adult. So if you're doing songs which have lots of action like shaking and dancing and making cat sound, we feel very odd unless and until you have not practiced it. But a director should be able to perform songs, rhymes in a way that she will feel very embarrassed to do it in front of her family members. Because wo kahenge isko kya? I mean, she's making all these sounds, the cat sound, like it amuses the children always. At one time I used to be telling them there's a father cat. If anybody has any questions, even right now, related to language, related to anything, please feel free to ask. Material is manufactured and it is scientifically prepared. Apart from that, all language material is directress made. It's upon you how you go about buying all these little objects, making the vocabulary basket, making the classified cards. So please take a look at the materials afterwards, because once you work in school, the school people will expect you to make these materials by yourself. And the team is back. Without wasting any more time, let's re-welcome them. I was just wondering how weak or strong the team was. It was good. Okay, that's a lovely welcome back, Ma'am Nazra and Nasira. I'm feeling rosy. Anyway, again back to the language exercises. What was the last presentation which I gave you people? Conjunction. Now what comes after conjunction? Preposition. For the preposition, I have to prepare myself. This is the director's duty to prepare all the material, and in the part of the preparation she has to go for 3 steps. The first is this, that she check whether the material is complete or not. Number two, check the material. It should not be fade or damaged from anywhere. If it is, then replace it with the fresh one. The first is to complete the material, checking of the completion of the material. Then the second is not to fade or damage from anywhere. The third, test out the material. This is the director's duty. Thanks God in Pakistan that we have many hands who supervise us, who tell us, under us. We ask, we command them, we ask them to clean, but not in foreign countries.
Over there, the director is supposed to do each and every working, each and everything. So in the part of the preparation, again I am explaining, the first thing is that you have to be checked that whether the material is complete or not. The second is that it should not be damaged or fade anywhere. If it is, then you have to be replaced it. Then the third is that you have to dust out the material. And the fourth is that the selection of the place where you have to give the presentation to the child. But there must be a flexibility in it. If child change or ask you to change the place, so if whatever the place set by the child suitable for giving that presentation, you can go over there as well instead of choosing your place. Okay, now this is what the presentation, that is preposition. Preposition means telling the position of anything. Now first of all, again, what is the very first thing you have to do? Preparation. That is done here. The second thing is what? Take the consent of the child. Now, do you know what is really the meaning of consent? Apparently, it's just to ask the will of the child. But indirectly, there is something else. What is that? Can you just give me that answer? Motivation. Because definitely, if you intentionally, you have to make the mistake that is said by Dr. Maria Montessori. Now just imagine, if you go and think for this just little moment, it has a very deep message inside of that. That you just second mistake, मतलब 1 minute की जो mistake है, second की जो mistake है, it means that is there till grade. Because he is learning from your mistake that consciously you are doing. So when you really make a mistake in front of the child, by any means, your language, your body movement, so what impact you will transfer and how damage? Okay? So this is only the message from my side is you to please do understand that you have a great responsibility in your shoulder, and only your dressing, your belonging, your own attitude is not enough. No matter whatever you are, how much knowledgeable you are, but the child is taking what you are showing at that moment. And the main thing is that how normalized you are, how you are transferring. Your every single and minute action is there with the child till grade. Till grade. Well, my is preposition is now tell the position of an object. For that, I have to take the consent of the child. Itrud, Assalamu alaikum. Itrud, you are looking very nice. Okay, now Itrud, you know, I planned something special for you. Would you like to come with me? Okay, then come with me, Itrud. Itrud, come here. Itrud, see, what is this? This is a basket. And what is in the basket? Flowers. And can you tell me what is this? Okay. Now, can you bring this basket very carefully what it is doing? No? very carefully what Auntie is going to write for you. Can you read this?
Yeah.
Very nice. Can you perform an action? Oh, how good you
Wonderful performance by the language team, and the language team led by Mrs. Nazra Fahim and supported, assisted with Miss Hira, and these are the ladies on this side of the Everyone will agree that it is an explosion of the display of projects. I am still eager and keen to go on and take a deep look, because there are so many books, unlimited number of books, low cost, no cost projects, and some are just pictorial books. And if you all, after taking this from this workshop, can introduce such things in your school, well then the schools are in the right hand. Any questions related to language, because we still have 10 to 15 minutes, any confusion? There is a slight explanation I like to do from one of the presentation. For the use of and, there was a sentence saying and when you say and so many times, it is substituted by comma. Now the commas are explained to the child, and you tell the child that these are the commas. You will not be reading the commas all the time, because then the sentence sounded like Batul went to buy comma, she bought comma. So it is not. We will explain to the child that this gives a gap. Instead of we use this thing. This is known as a comma. Then in the end, we keep the language up. So all the hustles and bustles, that gives you even more time to practice for that. Then what would be the next subject?
Mathematics.
Mathematics. And what would be the color?
Blue.
And as I was really, and I'd like to point this out, that this morning I saw, what इत्तेफाक से हो गया होगा, the people who are managing this hotel, all the people who were cleaning and all that, they were all wearing green. That was my chance. And then I appreciated the effort of even our cameraman, that I went up there and I said, yesterday even Sir Shamim was wearing a similar shirt, and this is what we are trying to pass on to you. A human spirit, it goes from age 7 to 70, and there is no age barrier, there is no, you want to enjoy life in a positive way, but there is no better way to do it in the Montessori way. So that brings us to the end of today, I believe. Yes. Have a nice day. You can take this opportunity, the next few seconds, minutes you have left, to again discuss your activity for tomorrow. See you all tomorrow in any general color. Allah Hafiz.